Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make prawn skew kebabs. It's an easy and super delicious dish that your kids will love for sure. They'll be super excited to eat it directly from the wooden skewers. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken 15 medium-sized prawns for this recipe. Clean it well and keep it ready in a bowl. To this, add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of chilli powder, quarter teaspoon of garam masala, a tablespoon of corn flour, half teaspoon of pepper powder, quarter teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves, and a tablespoon of yogurt. Give it a nice mix. It's all now well combined, so let this sit for 2 hours. It's been 2 hours now, so let's quickly check on it. I've taken 3 wooden skewers today. Soak them in water for 2 hours before using them. This is just to make sure they don't burn or turn color while frying. Now skew in the prawns. Don't overcrowd them. Now we are ready with all. Let's move on to frying them. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a wide pan. Spread the oil well and add in the skewers to it. Let this cook in low flame for 5 minutes. Now flip it to the other side. Let this cook for another 5 minutes. Apply some oil if necessary. Now your super delicious prawn skew kebab is now ready to serve. Serve it hot and enjoy it with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.